This is the Daily Cryptic for October 16th, 2024. Let's do this. This puzzle has a lot of odd ones that I'm not quite sure about, but I'll do my best. One across. Married expert provides spice. We're looking for spice, and married is M, and expert is ace, mace. Three across. Shouts in a battle, excited air crews. 2 words, 3 letters, and 5 letters. We're looking for shouts in a battle and excited air crews. So rearrange letters in air crews, and that is war cries. 9 across. Bill takes the water in Vichy, creating a scene. We're looking for creating a scene, and or a scene, and Bill is tab, and water in Vichy is le, tableau. 10 across. Newspapers in cupboard. We're looking for newspapers, and another word for cupboard is press. 11 across. Recover from motoring event. We're looking for a motoring event, and recover is rally. 12 across. Oil and nuts may be provided. 2 words, 4 letters, and 2 letters. We're looking for provided and oil and nuts. So letters in oil and rearranged is laid on. 14 across. Missing notes dispatched. We're looking for missing, and notes are A and B, and dispatched is sent. Absent. 16 across. Inferior with shoes, extremely dirty. We're looking for inferior, and shoes is shod. And then extremely dirty is the first and last letter of dirty, D-Y, shoddy. 1 down. Motherly resolution to alter man. We're looking for motherly, and or actually probably, motherly, and to alter man, rearrange the letters in alter man, and that is maternal. 2 down. Taxi taken by a large political clique. We're looking for a large political clique, and taxi's cab, and a large is AL, cabal. 4 down. A writer mostly associated with a group of stars. We're looking for a group of stars, and a writer mostly. So a writer is a quill. Associated, a quill mostly. So a quill without the last L, and then associated with aquila. 5 down. In the Pacific, a private island. We're looking for an island, and in the Pacific, a private, letters in a row, starting with the C from the end of Pacific, and then A, and then PRI from the beginning of private is Capri. 6 down. Freezing Shrew's confession may be heard. 2 words, 3 letters, and 4 letters. We're looking for a homophone for a shrew's confession. So a shrew is a person who scolds, and freezing is ice, freezing. We're looking for freezing, and a shrew's confession, a homophone for a shrew's confession is ice cold. I scold, ice cold. 7 down. Nothing after Mayday, nothing to write home about. 2 words, 2 letters, and 2 letters. We're looking for nothing to write home about, and nothing after Mayday, so Mayday is SOS, and nothing is O, so-so. 8 down. African or Irish singer in outskirts of Kingston. We're looking for African, and an Irish singer is Enya, and Enya in the outskirts of Kingston, so the first and last letters of Kingston is K and N, Kenyan. 13 down. I mentioned sound or vision. We're looking for a homophone for I mention. Actually, we're looking for a homophone for I mention sound. And vision is eyesight. Eyesight. 15 down, deprived of food, adverts all over the shop. We're looking for deprived of food and adverts all over. So the letters in adverts rearranged is starved. I don't know what the all over the shop means. Well, adverts all over, but I don't know what the shop means. If anybody has a comment, I could post that. 17 down. Admirable woman getting rid of last drug. We're looking for an admirable woman and getting rid of last drug. So drug is heroin. And you get rid of the last letter, and it's heroin. 18 down. Polecat, female, on raised ground in France. This was the one that really kind of is a little odd, but we're looking for a polecat, and my belief is female is F-E, and then I guess raised ground is a railroad. Railroad is on raised ground. And then in France is E-T, ferret. 20 down, odd job with an instrument. We're looking for an instrument, and odd job with an. So odd job, so rearrange letters in job and with an. So job and an letters is banjo. Banjo. 22 across, unpleasant person, one going in all direction. We're looking for a unpleasant person and one going in all directions. So one is I, and then going in all directions are south, west, north, east. Swine. 23 down, leading Russian trembles after going to extremes. This is another odd one, but I think it's so we're looking for a leading Russian, and then trembles after going to extremes. So trembles and after going to extremes. So the last letters, or the extreme letters in trembles and the extreme letters in after. So that would be T-S-A-R, czar. 19 across, take a chance with outsiders from Bristol in match. We're looking for take a chance and outsiders from Bristol. So Bristol, the outside letters in Bristol are B-L, and that is in a match, which is a game. Gamble. 21 across, bloomers went up a pole. We're looking for bloomers and went up a pole. So went up is rose and a pole is south. Roses. 24 across, 5 past 2. We're looking for, this is just kind of a straight ahead answer. We're looking for 5 past 2, and that is 7. 25 across, help brought in by band, that is attacking. We're looking for attacking, and help is aid, and a band is ring. So ring bringing in aid is raiding. 26 across, marshal sacred to old soldiers. We're looking for old soldiers and marshal sacred to. See, I don't know what marshal means, unless that marshal must mean a modifier for sacred to. And then letters in sacred to is red coats. And 27 across, run and hide. This is a dual definition. We're looking for run or hide, and that is pelt.